Hi everyone, I'm going to prepare a course based on Microsoft Word, which is one of the most important and popular Microsoft applications around the world. So this is the first video where I will introduce you with the Microsoft Word screen first. So we are going to start from the scratch, and I will show you from where we could start our Microsoft Word applications in Windows. Then I will introduce you with the Microsoft Word screen. So let's start with our first tutorial on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to start our Microsoft Word program. To do that, I'm writing Microsoft Word 2016 in our search bar, and I'm going to click on Microsoft Word 2016. So our application is starting. It is Microsoft Office Word 2016. So after opening the application, the first scene you will see that there are some templates available. You can start with a blank document, or you can choose any of the pre-designed template based on different types of categories. So as this is the first tutorial, so I'm going to start with a blank document. So I'm clicking on blank document twice. In this way we can create a blank document. Now I'm introducing you with the elements available here. So in the first section there is the name of the document. For the time being it is document 1, so it means it is the title bar, and here you can use the minimize, restore and close the application using these icons or elements. Now I'm starting with the second stage. This is the menu bar. Here you can click on the file menu. So in file menu you will see that from here you can create a new file or open from the saved file that are already in the document in your laptop or desktop. Then you can save any of the changes of your existing documents, and you can newly save your files. Then there is a print option, from where you can print your documents after connecting your printers. There is also a share section. In share section you can share the document through email, or you can present it online or post a blog. Then there is an export section. You can export it as a PDF document or change file type. And lastly there is a closing option. So in this way you can close this file menu. There is an account section. So if you are using a licensed Microsoft Word, your licensing will be showing here. So for the time being our product is licensed, otherwise it will show a message here to make your product licensed. So you have to put the product ID there to register your product, and there is an option section. So in option section, it's a general one, then a display, there's a proofing one, it will help to correct your wrong spelling and how safe will be working, and there's a language section as well. So here you can choose or import another language. For the time being we are using English. And in advanced section you can use check or uncheck the different types of options. Is a customized ribbon. So here you can, using this you can show or you can hide some of the icons in your ribbon bar. There is a quick access toolbar, so the things you can set, just like in this section, the more we add, the more will be shown in this here. So from there we can quickly do any action. There is an add-in section. There are some automated tools available, so you can use after choosing any of the option from under the menu. So for the command, if we go to click on go, then this one note about what document is available, if we mark on it and click OK, then it will be added in our section. The last one is Trust Center. So it is the Microsoft Trust Center. It will help you to make your document safe and healthy. Now I'm using a new one, as I mentioned it, what we will do using this new. So I'm clicking on new and I am clicking on blank document. So our document is opened. Now I'm moving to the next step. So I have showed you the file option, and now it is the home option. So home option, you will see that this is one section, this is another section, this section is known as clipboard. So it is in a whole, this one is called group. This is the font section, this is the paragraph section, this is the style section. So all are under the ribbon tab. So this is the ribbon section. It helps us to design our formatting our writings. And if you click, just hover your mouse on it, it will show you what actually available under this. So if we click on it, it will show what actually under in it. If you click on font, as you have seen that there is a setting from where you can change the font body, font style, sizes, and you can use different types of strike through, double strike through, superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps, and hidden. So it is the expansion button of this group, which is known as font group, and this is the paragraph group. If you click on it, you will see you can adjust your document settings, just like how much space you could give in the left and how much at the right, and how much space you can use in the before and after. And in the next tab you will see line and page breaks. So what will be the line breaks after writing one line? So these types of setting you can do. Then this is the insert menu. So in insert menu you can there are also certain groups available. So under page groups you can create a blank page, or you can use a page break. You can insert table, you can insert pictures, smart art, shapes, charts, screenshot as well. And also you can put header, footer, page numbers, and also text boxes there. Then the next menu is design. We will discuss everything in brief, though this is the introductory part. I'm showing you actually what available under which sections. So in design part you can choose different types of themes. If you click on the drop down you will see different types of themes. From there you can choose any of the themes for your document. You can also document formatting you can use the different types of colors. You can use different types of fonts that are actually available or installed with this application package. There is a paragraph spacing, you can do it. You can put different types of effects here as well. And there is a watermark section through which you can put watermarks there. And page colors, page borders, you can put as per the given style you want to wish to put there. Then the next section is layout section. In layout section you can set the margins of your pages. You can change the orientation of page, just like right now it is portrait. You can turn it into a landscape one, so it's turning into a landscape. For the time being we are keeping portrait. There is a size, you can use different types of sizes here. You can make different types of column, just like one column right now available. You can make it 2 column, so that you can see we cannot write more than this. Okay, so if we go to the next column we can going to write. As you have seen, this is the column 2. Now I'm converting into 1 column. There's a break, line numbers also available under the page setup. This is the paragraph section where you can set left, how much space should be in the left and how much space should be in the right, and the before spacing, after spacing as well. Now there is next section is reference. So in reference section you will see you can create table of contents there. So there are pre-built table of contents available. From here you can choose one, and as you have seen the table of contents, you can make it very easily for your documents. Footnotes you can create, and there is a citation and bibliography section as well. The next section is mailing section. So this section is very much important. From here we can create mail merge. I will obviously show you how we could create our mail merge. I will prepare a tutorial. From there you will see how mail merge you can use to send one document to lot of people at one time, or as an invitation. Now the review section. Next section is review section. Here you can use proofing, languages. You can change from here. You can put comment section from the comment using the comment tool. You can track changes of your document. This is also interesting part. I will show you these things also. So this is the track changes sections, and last one is the view. So from the view section you can change your document from different types of view, just like read mode, print mode, web layout. There is a ruler section. You can use the ruler, as you have seen that a ruler is appearing. You can put grid lines. It will help you to make your uh, sizes, or when you are working with some geometric things, it will help you. Then there is a navigation page also available. From here you can check from where to where you can go. Then there is a search icon available. So in search bar you can search anything. When if you see you want to go to home, like whatever you want to search, you can. Okay, so this is all about the introductory of Microsoft Word document screens. So I I'm giving you the enough idea about the screens of the Microsoft Word. So in our next tutorial we are going to start working on it, and we will set up our um, knowledge length into the deeper section. So thank you for watching this video.